All right, my friends, how are you today? Aaron here, bringing you your daily horoscope for Wednesday, the 17th of April, 2019. It's a big day. We've had a lot of movement that's happened in the past 24 hours, right? We've had Mercury, who has finally moved out into Aries, and we've had the moon move out of Virgo into Libra. Let's take a look at it here. Dun, 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 boom. So right here at 1 o'clock in the morning, we had Mercury move out into Aries. It was stuck at the 29th degree of Pisces. Then it retrograded all the way back here to 16 degrees Pisces. Okay, then it hung out with Neptune here for about a week. Now, Mercury, which is again about our intellect, it's about our thinking, our communication, the way that we, trade services back and forth. And Neptune is all about our dreams and this big, imagination, big thinking. And this is like, the power of the sun. And this is just a little freaking match next to this. So it was really, really cloudy. And then, so then the retrograde was over. Then it slowly started creeping forward. Yesterday was at the 29th degree. Then at 1 o'clock in the morning, it broke over to 0 degrees Aries, where it's at right now. And then we had the moon also, just a couple hours ago, move into Libra, which is right there. These are the major aspects today. North Node opposing Pluto and Saturn. That's been going on for a while. This major sextile here between Saturn and Neptune's been going on for a while. Jupiter over here, retrograde, squaring Venus, squaring Neptune. That's been going on for a while, so that's not new. We've been talking about this stuff for a while. But the moon in Libra and Mercury in Aries definitely is new for the day. So what does that all mean? Well, Aries is the first sign of the zodiac. It's self, it's breakthrough, it's awareness, it is survival. Fingers and toes is all I know. I go toward what's good and go away from what is bad. Okay, and when this is Mercury, we have to do with our intelligence, again, our information communication. So it's just very simple. The communication here is very, very simple. Now, last year, Mercury retrograded in Aries, which was brutal because we can find ourselves having a little bit more fiery of a tongue. It's like the impulse between brain and tongue is a faster, more ferocious, fiery tongue. So we can see the heat come out this month when we see Mercury in Aries. On the other side, literally the other side, we have the moon over in Libra, which is all about relationships, not just partnerships of lovers, but yes, those, but business relationships, brothers, sisters, roommates, your best friend. We're talking about all of relationships. The relationship between whoever made this shirt and me buying it. You know what I mean? Every dollar is a vote, is a relationship, because every time you spend a dollar, if you're buying a soda, if you're buying that at a BP gas station, if you're buying that at a 7-Eleven, you're voting for that business. You're paying for that. This is a relationship. So it's like, do I support BP or would I rather support this local mart, Quickie Mart? I'll go to the Quickie Mart. Anyway, that's neither here or there. So, the relationships of everyone and others. So the moon's getting ready to oppose the sun. Full moon here on Friday, super early Friday morning, like 6 o'clock in the morning. But right now it's just opposing Mercury and it's opposing Chiron. Chiron over there in Aries, Chiron is the wounded healer, slowly taking its time moving through a sign to truly resolve and heal these old wounds and issues. So Mercury being over there, connecting with Chiron, opposing the moon. This is like, look, there's new information's coming to light. And there's ways that we can heal these things, parts of ourselves, so that we can move on to this new plateau, this new area of our lives. And the answer is within you and I, the relationship between myself and others, meaning the information's coming from out there. This is the very Jupiter and Sagittarius kind of a thing. The information's coming from outside of me. It's coming from you. So because your beautiful self, being yourself and doing what a you does, you can help inspire me to be the best me that I can be. And that is what the energy of this beautiful Wednesday is all about. So shine on, be the beautiful you, and inspire somebody else to be the beautiful them. It doesn't get better than that. Happy Wednesday, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.